A great watch deserves a strap that combines strength, comfort, and style. Our 22mm hybrid nylon and rubber strap is engineered for the modern adventurer. The upper layer is crafted from hard-wearing nylon, designed to handle the toughest conditions, and the contrasting stitching adds a pop of personality, highlighting its detail and style. On the underside, there's a rigid rubber lining. This not only enhances breathability for extended wear, but also provides flexibility and comfort during active pursuits. Whether you're climbing mountains or open water swimming, this hybrid strap delivers unmatched durability, ready to accompany you at any adventure or occasion. Order yours today at mcquaide.co.uk.